Evening everyone, this is Mayuresh Joshi, Head of Research at MarketSmith India. Now a few days back, we had come out with a report in terms of how data centers as a theme will be central in terms of both the budget announcements that have been done and what are the key aspects that one needs to watch out for the space in general. Now some very interesting facts. India generates 20% of the globe's data, but we only got 3% of the data center capabilities in the globe. As we speak, the operational capabilities of 350 megawatt in 2019 have gone up to 1.2 gigawatt in 2024. Now this is expected to end at 1.7 gigawatts in FY26 and roughly triple or be a 4 times growth from there at around 8 gigawatts by the time we hit FY30. Now the budgetary announcements have been very interesting. What the Exchequer has basically done is the Exchequer has given a tax holiday till 2047 in terms of companies and entities that establish data center. And to establish a data center, it's not just the unit that probably comes through, but all the resources that are probably required in terms of power inputs, output, etc. And therefore, it's an entire ecosystem at play. And therefore, the tax holiday till 2047 is going to be a huge impetus in terms of getting investments in building these data centers in India. Obviously, I think the expectations in terms of AI-ready infrastructure development, which stands currently at around $70 billion, I think that is going to go up significantly. $90 billion of projects have already been announced, which is a huge plus for the data center industry. Now, obvious players, I think there are obvious beneficiaries, but in our report, we have covered 4 key areas or 4 key stocks that you probably need to watch out for. Again, they are not buy recommendations, this is just a learning curve in terms of the theme itself. And what stocks either directly or through an ancillary mode can probably get paid out. Now, one of the ideas or the areas that probably can come out is Cummins India. Now, Cummins India has a huge capacity. 40% of its revenues comes in from the data center operation itself. And this is going to go significantly higher. There have obviously been some power transmission norm changes, and CPCB4 changes is something that the company has made a strong adaptation to. And therefore, I think with strong return ratios, ROEs in the mid-20s, ROCs in the mid-20s, EBIT margins in the mid-20s, make us believe that all the rating rankings and attributes that we look at, this is one serious play in India's long-term growth aspirations of being the data center capability capital of the world for the next few years. To view this learning article and many more, follow us at MarketSmith India.